quite a few stocks from our watch list have earnings this May, and I'm excited about it because a lot of the stocks on our watch list often have consistent or predictable movements around their earnings dates. Sometimes earnings reports can be a catalyst that causes a stock to move up or down. Sometimes the stock will move because of the result of the report. Other times it may move because of anticipation before the report. Yahoo Finance will tell you what corporations report earnings on what dates. Some brokers will alert you if the stock is in your watch list, or like Webull here, you can notice it when you check the stock. First up is AMC. AMC is sensitive to move to almost any news. Like my video from its last earnings showed, the last 2 times we profited from buying a call early, selling the call right before the earnings, then buying a put to sell after the earnings. Not that that will necessarily work again. AMD is second up. Like I've said, 10 of the last 12 earnings had a $10 run before the time of or after the earnings report. You can check the charts and the history and kind of get an idea of what the company is like, what they may report, how often they beat expectations, what their earnings usually do, and that'll kind of help you know what to do. Carvana also has earnings early in May, like AMC and AMD. I just think it has a lot of untapped potential. If it gets any good news, it could fly. Aside from that, there's Ford, which has been a stock we've traded successfully many times over this last year. Its earnings are also in early May, like the rest of these, and pretty much if the earnings cause it to go down, I'll happily take the opportunity to buy more, which is nice, but I'll also be holding Ford in advance, especially from this great price, in case the earnings does cause it to go up. Of course, if it's going up pretty good from anticipation before the report, I'll mostly take profits and only hold a little for actually after the report, because overall we ultimately don't want to actually gamble on the report if we can avoid it.